is not doing nearly as well as he does in his hobby stock, guys, I gotta tell you. He needs a different bus. Hey, you know, if Tony Stewart was driving that bus, I bet he'd win in it. No? Dale Earnhardt Jr. How about... Gee, I might be closer to the fence than I want to be standing down here with those guys going by me. I don't think they're bumping each other nearly enough. What do you guys think? Well, you better make some noise when they go by. That's what made them hit each other last time. Oh, look at this. The pass for the race lead out of turn 4. Maybe. Let's see. Make some noise. Jeff Forrestcamp. Now, I know he's not afraid to bump somebody out of the way. Myron Norman in that 101 is looking to the high side around turns 1 and 2. Terry, how are you supposed to be using the Pepsi scoreboard if you're down here running the gate? How are we supposed to know how many laps we've went? Oh, there's some bumping and grinding. That's what I'm talking about. That's well, here comes Chuck Mulligan to the outside. Look out, turn 1. It gets down up there. Look out. Oh, my goodness. Chuck Mulligan to the race lead. And Jeremy Punt just wants to wave at everybody. So next time when Jeremy Punt comes by, we'll give him a big wave since he's in the slow bus. Notice I didn't say short bus, I said slow bus. Okay. Although it is a little shorter than the rest of them, come to think about it. Oh, we got a battle for the race lead now.
We're wide.
Dwight Vanderleest and Chuck Mulligan. Vanderleest taking the low line. Into turn 1. Okay, give Jeremy a wave. Here he comes. Give him a wave. I'm impressed. They've actually stayed off the guardrail this whole time, I think. Vanderleest looking for the race lead. Pushes him to the outside.
Rush down that way, that water.
Sue, how many laps have we run? 4 or 5? 5 laps? 4. 4 laps down, sorry. I can't see that far.